As we talk about maintenance around a property, do you know what a GFI or a GFCI outlet is? Have you paid attention? Well, most of us have seen one. In this receptacle right here, it's a slightly different shape than a normal receptacle, and it has these buttons right here. These receptacles are in areas around wet areas. Bathrooms, kitchens, outdoors, anywhere that may have water. The idea is if there's a short, it will trip as a safety. So if you are in, say, a bathroom, and maybe you have a bunch of things plugged in, and all of a sudden you have no power at the outlet, but the lights are still on, you have probably tripped the breaker. Nothing wrong with that. You might have heard the click. This has been tripped. This circuit has now gone dead. That's okay. All we had to do was reset the circuit. Now we have power.